Back at you with another YouTube video. Screw it, we'll just call it vlog 29. I'm just gonna basically just every video I do, unboxing, Pokemon card, anything, it's just gonna be a part of the Slightly Daily Vlog series. This video will also be, it'll be in the vlog playlist, but also it'll be in the unboxing playlist because I'm about to unbox Logic No Pressure merch. I'm not gonna tell you what I got, just for the element of surprise, but yeah, cooking a little bacon right now. Made a little coffee. Gotta get fueled up, but yeah, unboxing video. All I'm gonna say is it's some Logic No Pressure merch.
What you think that we think is cool. What you think that we think is cool. What you think
from the right side of your screen, he's gonna block.
So yeah, I'ma just finish setting up on camera. As I said, I don't want to tell you too much. I want it to be more of a surprise, just to preface the product and the journey it took for it to get here. I don't know what was going on with the shipping or whatever, but it took. So No Pressure came out in June, if I'm not mistaken, and I got this, which I've definitely been lacking, but I got this product like last week. So, and this is October, so it literally took June, July, August, September, October, approximately 4 months. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna finish setting up. This is the third time I've done a unboxing video. This is another merch drop video. I did a Travis Scott merch video, which got a ton of views. My two most viewed videos are, well, approximately the two merch videos I've done. So yeah, I'm gonna finish setting up this mic though, and then after that we are gonna get into this bad boy. Let's get into this unboxing video. Logic No Pressure merch. Unboxing video number 3. Shout out to my girlfriend for helping me compose this camera angle. Let's get the mic a little bit closer so you guys can get a good crystal clear quality of my voice so you can hear me. So here we go, guys. Gonna make an incision. This is a complete, I have yet to see this in the flesh. It has been 4 months in the making. You guys don't even know what I ordered yet. So yeah. All right. The moment I have waited for. Ooh. Did you guys see that? Okay. So came in the FedEx bag and then a plastic bag, completely separate. You can see on the outside the letters, the No Pressure letters. Let's go ahead and rip the bag open. And voila, hoodie. Green hoodie. It looks really big, actually. It looks huge. It looks massive. So here we are. I probably could have got away with a medium, low key. Whatever. So right here you see the yellow letters with the green, dark green color wave. It's pretty soft. The pocket looks kind of small, but I don't know. It's got like this kind of U shape going on here. And then on the back, it's got Logic at the top. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much the video. I'm going to put it on. See how it fits. Like I said, this thing looks massive. I definitely should have got a medium, but whatever, it's here. And also shout out to Logic for making affordable merch. This thing was $40. So yeah, I haven't even looked. You guys are seeing this on me before I'm seeing it. And actually, now that I really get into it, it's not too big. It fits pretty good actually. The arms, when I opened it, I thought the arms were going to be like way bigger than it actually is, but it's actually not too bad. It's a pretty comfortable hoodie. So yeah, guys, this is the video. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and if you're a new viewer, please subscribe. I got a lot of dope content on this YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm gonna do I got a lot of dope content on this YouTube channel. I'll do podcasts, Pokemon card unboxing videos, vlogs, really anything. I'll do anything. But yeah, the unboxing thing is just another kind of asset and thing that I'm trying to add to the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna do just a little clip at the very end, just like a 360, so you guys can see what it looks like all the way around. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching.
No problem.